If you're not receiving calls on your iPhone, there are several settings you can check that may help fix the problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, check your cellular signal. Look at the top of your iPhone and make sure you have a proper signal instead of seeing SOS or no service. If you don't have a signal, try moving to another location where you can get better reception. Having a stable cellular connection is one of the first things you should check when you're not receiving calls. Once you've confirmed that you have a signal, the next thing you can try is refreshing your cellular connection. Open Control Center, turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back off. You can also do this by going to Settings and turning airplane mode on and off. This gives your iPhone a quick network refresh and can sometimes fix temporary connection problems. Next, make sure you don't have a focus mode enabled that could be interfering with your calls. Open Control Center, tap Focus, and check whether any focus mode is currently turned on. If it is, turn it off and then test your calls again. After that, let's check your blocked contacts. Open Settings, tap Apps, then select Phone. Scroll down to Blocked Contacts and check the list. If the person who's trying to call you is on this list, they won't be able to reach you. To unblock them, simply swipe left on their name and tap Unblock. While you're in the phone settings, also check Screen Unknown Callers. If you're having trouble receiving calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts, make sure this is set to Never. If it's set to Ask Reason for Calling or Silence, your iPhone may screen or silence calls from unknown numbers. Now scroll up a little and tap on Wi-Fi calling. Then turn it on. This has reportedly worked for some users. Next, go back and look for call forwarding. Make sure call forwarding is turned off. If it's enabled, your incoming calls could be forwarded to another phone number instead of ringing on your iPhone. Now let's check for a possible carrier update. Go back to Settings, tap General, then About. Stay on the screen for around 10 to 15 seconds. If a carrier settings update is available, you'll see a pop-up asking you to update your carrier settings. Follow the instructions on the screen to install it. If you don't see an update, the next thing you can try is a force restart. On an iPhone with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Don't worry, a force restart won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or other personal data. It simply forces your iPhone to restart and can help clear temporary software issues. Once your iPhone turns back on, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Check if there's a new iOS update available. If there is, install the latest update, since it may include bug fixes that could resolve problems with incoming calls. Finally, if you've tried everything and you're still not receiving calls, the problem could be with your carrier. There may be a temporary network outage or an issue with your account or cellular service. You can check your carrier's website or search for a network outage in your area, and you can also contact your carrier to make sure there isn't a problem with your service. If there's an outage, you may simply need to wait until your carrier resolves the issue. So, those are the main things you can check if your iPhone isn't receiving calls. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your incoming calls working again. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.